Disclaimer: this video is only for educational purposes. This channel does not promote any illegal activity, so please do not misuse of the skills shown in this. Hey guys, Devil here, back again with another video. In this video, I am reviewing you a product that is TP-link Wn722n Wi-Fi adapter from TP-link. So first, let's get started. So when looking on the box, it's nice, well packed. So let's open it. So after opening, we can see here we get our adapter in a plastic case which could easily open, and beneath that we get a data cable. It's not a data cable, it's a extender cable. As you can see, it's one 3.0 and the other is 2.0 port. We also get a CD for manual. From there you can read the manual as well as install the driver for Windows. Just simply insert in your laptop or desktop, whatever, and then you can install it. So the adapter here is white in color and white and black combination. It has an antenna which is 360-degree rotatable. It can also be taken out. You can attach your own antenna if you need to extend the range. As you can see here, it is a high gain 150 Mbps from TP-link, and if you could see here, it's version 2 or 3 adapter, but I'll show you how could you put it in monitor mode on Kali too. As you can see, now I am removing the antenna and simply it's removed. So now let's see some of its specifications too. So guys, when talking about the specifications, it has a Realtek RTL 8188 EUS chipset, which is pretty well, but in Kali you have to install its driver manually. Its driver was released by Aircrack on its GitHub page, which I will link in the description. Don't forget to check it out. And also by the end of the video, I shall show you how you could install the driver too. The driver will work for Kali and Parrot both OS. So let's stay tuned. And this adapter has a good range of 80 meters. It has an detachable antenna too. 2.4 gigahertz frequency. So it at the moment it is about 750 INR at Flipkart, so you can buy it from there. It is very nice for its price range because it is one and only adapter which supports monitor mode and packet injection in such a nice price range. So you must go and check it out. Okay, so now let's get how to install the driver. So to install the driver, here are the written steps. You have to just copy the commands manually and then paste in the terminal one by one, and it will work. So guys, here is the demo of this Wi-Fi adapter. I am now using it with Parrot, and as you can see, it is supporting the monitor mode, and I will also show you by testing the packet injection. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you have any ideas related to this topic, please let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you face any problem while installing the driver, please let me know in the comments. I will surely try to reply to your question. And if you like the video, click on the like button, and if you dislike it, click on the dislike button. and if you subscribe my channel, I will be very grateful to you. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next video.